Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. After exiting our 1-hour long wave strategy yesterday, Bitcoin did exactly what it often does: punishes late entries. It dropped roughly 1.58%, falling from 85,200 to 83,900. That sell-off, however, was not sustained. At 84,200, my strategy triggered a fresh long position. Since then, we have seen a bounce of 1.12%. Momentum is building once again, and with volatility compressing, we are eyeing a real breakout. The key zone to flip remains the area just below 86,000. Interestingly, the green dot on the weekly time frame vanished earlier today, only to reappear as price approached 85,000 again. That matters. As I showed you yesterday, this green dot break decisively cuts through a descending trend line that has held since the final week of January. Technically, that is a major shift. The next levels to watch on the intraday chart are 85,400, 86,400. Those need to break cleanly to confirm continuation. Now let's dive into the heat map. On the 3-day liquidation map, we identify the primary hot zones at 85,600 to 85,800. But switching to the 1-week liquidation view reveals something bigger. The cluster above us stretches beyond the near-term resistance. It runs all the way to 89,000, with peak liquidation zones at 85,600 and around 87,500. That aligns almost perfectly with our earlier levels from the 1-hour chart. Price action and liquidation interest are pointing in the same direction. Now zooming out, what is the macro backdrop? Gold has quietly moved up 2.06% since last Thursday. That is a notable move for a slow asset. Gold rallying while Bitcoin attempts a breakout tells us something. The market is likely pricing in uncertainty, maybe geopolitical, maybe macroeconomic. This rising tide could lift both hard assets. If that correlation holds, Bitcoin may ride the same momentum wave into Monday. In parallel, Michael Saylor just tweeted insufficient orange, linking the Saylor Tracker website again. It is a familiar pattern, and it usually foreshadows another buy. That would be a massive narrative boost right when the chart is begging for one. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.